This is the bridge of death. You have to answer 5 questions.
3 questions.
3 questions correctly.
What if you get a question wrong?
You get cast into the gorge of eternal detention. Who wants to answer the question? Tommy, you go.
No. Send Dominic.
I'll go. I got this. I'll get us across.
Just answer the 5 questions.
3 questions.
3 questions, as best you can, and we shall watch and pray.
Stop! Anyone who wants to cross this bridge of death must answer these questions 3.
Ask me the questions, Bridgekeeper.
What is your name?
Dominic.
Where are you going?
Math class.
What's 2 plus 2?
4.
Right, off you go.
What? That's easy.
What is your name?
Tommy.
Where are you going?
Math class.
When did the 16th Amendment pass Congress?
Well, yes, the 16th Amendment, which I believe was about women not being able to vote, was a very controversial one, as we weren't exactly with the times back then, and I believe that came after the 15th Amendment, as we all know. So what I'm trying to say is 2002.
At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul. Stop! What is your name?
Grace.
Where are you going?
Math class.
What's 2 plus 2?
Fish. Wait, that's a meme! Ah!
Stop! What is your name?
It's Joe, the king of math class.
Where are you going?
To math class.
Solve for y. Y equals 1000x plus 345 divided by 2.1.
What do you mean? What is x equal to?
Huh? I don't know. Ah!
How did you know to ask about X?
Well, you just have to know these things when you're the king of math.